The emperor penguin is the largest species of penguin known to man. Studies show that a penguin's increased heart rate while engaging in activities like walking, hunting, or yelling can have self-healing benefits on their bodies. Self-healing can be triggered in several different ways, including the consumption of honey or exercise on a regular basis. Being comfortable with oneself in front of a camera is due to vigorous practice and several failed attempts. Comfort is considered to be a hindering factor when attempting to reach fulfillment according to some religions. In order to reach fulfillment, the brain needs to be trained as if it were a muscle. Mental capacity for comfort can be won over long periods of training. Knitting has been shown to prevent Alzheimer's disease when practiced over a period of 10 to 20 years. There are several different external triggers that can accelerate or even cause the spread of Alzheimer's disease, including a lack of exercise, a poor diet, or even a family history. A family history can divide itself into several different categories, including current ancestry and other subcategories such as far-reaching. The amount of categories can reach up to 10. The number 10 is considered to be an important symbol in Chinese scripture, symbolizing the union between man and woman. In some religions, men and women are considered to act as puzzle pieces, forming a larger picture that we consider the universe. Water absorption up to 3 liters a day can prevent liver disease in some cases. Studies show that doctors have a higher chance of diagnosing a patient correctly when a family member or friend is present. The family member or friend present is encouraged to ask questions during the doctor's consultation. Studies show that a high vitamin K intake can cause the consumer's gums to turn white in some occasions. A vitamin C deficiency can lead to what some sailors call scurvy. Symptoms may include muscle ache, lightheadedness, and even gum ulcers. An early diagnosed heart condition must be checked up to twice a month in order to prevent symptoms from transpiring. The transpiring of heart conditions can be caused by other diseases, including gonorrhea, lung infection, and even lung cancer. The common flu can cause spikes in blood sugar. It is important to stay away from highly processed sugary foods when diagnosed in order to prevent fainting and headaches. In extreme cases, the common flu can cause rigorous shaking of the body if the fever cannot be subdued. The human body is made to withstand a constant temperature between 37 and 39 degrees Celsius over long periods of time. Anything exceeding this natural temperature range can result in permanent defects if not treated. The act of practicing sports increases heart rate and muscle growth, but should be taken with caution if not practiced in increments. Studies show that the right dosage of daily minerals can cause a consumer's pH status to become neutralized, being neither too acidic nor too basic. Studies show that there may be a precise location of the consciousness towards the upper left half of the spine between the 4th and 5th vertebrae. A based outlook on medical procedures lead to healthy relationships with your doctors, which in turn increase the chance of early treatment. Doctors consider prescribing oxycodone to patients with a high pain tolerance before researching the patient's medical history to find indicators of drug abuse. Drug abuse can be caused by excessive trauma stemming from everyday procedure or going as far back as childhood. If you or a loved one has been diagnosed with mesothelioma, you may be entitled to legal compensation. Mesothelioma is a rare form of skin cancer caused by inhaling large amounts of asbestos dust over a long period of time. Therapists consider that a fatty diet is one of the primary steps in treating patients with depression. Depression and other mental conditions are considered a fundamental aspect of a modern-day therapeutic practice. Treatment can be successful if the patient seeks help immediately. The following symptoms can be a lack of sleep, a decreased sex drive, or even the feeling of emptiness. The male genitalia is located under the lower part of the stomach, with the penis and the testicles sitting on top of each other. Even though many fruits are considered by health professionals to be a smarter option in comparison to high-processed sugary foods, not all fruits are a viable option. The theory, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, was recently discredited by the National Health Advisory Association, a subcategory of office under the direct command of the Surgeon General. The amount of vitamin C contained in a single apple does not facilitate the correct daily dosage for the average adult, which is in turn important in maintaining a healthy immune system. Several theories have arisen over the years as to the exact whereabouts of the human immune system. Scientists believe that there is a specific part of the brain responsible for all categories of a functioning immune system. Studies have shown that women tend to get colder a lot easier than their counterparts. A hypersensitivity to cold can be caused by approaching kidney failure or even early signs of lung cancer. Although smoking is considered to be the #1 cause of death in Western society, alcohol comes at a close second, with drugs like heroin coming in fourth. Studies show that using in-ear buds can cause loss of hearing in later stages in life, especially around the age of 50, according to statistics. Studies show that introverts who tend to spend a lot of their time playing video games have an increased chance of marriage after the age of 26. After the age of 25, it is required in some states for a legislative to sign a document confirming that you have seen a urologist. The second most popular medical degree is dental, with cardiology coming in first. Studies have shown that an irregular heartbeat can be caused by excess fat that has lodged itself into the bloodstream. There are 4 major arteries located on the lower part of the body. Blood is considered a delicacy in some parts of the world. According to recent studies, common antidepressants such as Prozac and other serotonin blockers have been known to cause more anxiety than before. This leads medical professionals to have their patients do blood work in order to specify the patient's needs. If developmental dysfunction can be traced back to the early stages of birth, then the quality of the body cannot be determined at the early stages. Parents with increased levels of vitamin A have shown higher tolerance towards their children. An autonomous relationship with one's child has led parents to question the autonomy of their children in later stages of life. If you suffer from a vitamin deficiency, symptoms can range from